Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are excited to showcase the footage we got with Rob from Firstech at the 2023 Indianapolis Knowledgefest. Rob gives us a quick look at two awesome devices, the EZGO proximity unlock device and the drone key locker. We would also like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Firstech for their generous support as a sponsor of the official Davis Knowledgefest after party. Their partnership made the event truly exceptional. Finally, before we dive into the video, I'd like to announce the winners of the prizes that were generously provided by Firstech. Congratulations to Alex Moyer from Vivid Automotive, the winner of the CompuStar CS2 WQ900-AS all-in-one two-way remote start plus alarm bundle. Cabe from Custom Auto Reimagined, the winner of the HC2312 AC iData Start two-way remote start system. John from Innovative Concepts Audio, the winner of the MD7200 Memento Dash Cam. Rick Moore from Dr. Dashboard, the winner of another CompuStar CS2W Q900-AS all-in-one two-way remote start plus alarm bundle. And last but not least, congratulations to Brian from Stereo Installs, the winner of the CSX P9913-AS all-in-one two-way remote start plus security bundle with LTE module. So without further ado, here's Rob.
Hey guys, Rob from Firstech. We're here at the Firstech booth at Knowledgefest in Indy, and I wanted to show you guys a couple of products that were released over the last year or so you may or may not be familiar with, and kind of go over them with you so you have a little better understanding about what they are. One of the first products I want to show you guys is the new EZGO. You may or may not have seen the EZGO. You may or may not remember our first generation of EZGO, but this is the new EZGO. We silently released this about a year ago because it didn't work with all controllers. But now that it does, we want to make sure that you guys all know about this piece. So what the EZGO does is this is a proximity unlock device. So you can walk up to the vehicle, it will sense on this antenna here that you've installed into the vehicle, and it will basically unlock the vehicle for you. It's going to work from about 6-7 feet away, kind of depending on where you put this antenna. It's about the size of a tile, pretty small. It does have a button up here in the corner. It does feature unlock with the double tap. And then even through the programming of the controllers, you can actually get it to do locking as well through the passive locking. So this is a really cool new product, and we wanted to make sure that you guys knew about it. Works with all the Firstech controllers, works through the RF, or through the data port. I know most of you guys are familiar with Drone Mobile and all of its applications that we provide to you guys. One thing that we released, and it's been a couple of years, it was pre-COVID, but didn't get a lot of attention from some people. There's still a lot of mystery about how to sell this device, and that's going to be the drone key locker that we have here. So the key locker is going to be used for key management purposes. Anytime you need to manage a key, whether that's going to be for personal use, for fleet use, or even maybe for car sharing, you're going to want to use the key locker. This is something that's very unique. Your customers don't know about it unless you tell them about it. So the key locker can be working independently, or it can work with a controller. So you can pair it up to an already installed remote start alarm system if you'd like, or use it standalone. You can also use an ADSA LCA to handle door locks in standalone application. So the key locker here basically is securely located in the vehicle, and then you're going to have your factory key fob inside of the key locker. And it's going to be managed inside of this at all times, so you don't need to carry it with you. So you just insert the key in there. There's sensors in here. You can roll the roof. Basically, it's now concealed inside of the key locker. When you lock the vehicle, this is going to secure and cause interference, and it's going to hide the key from the car. So the vehicle doesn't know that it's there. The vehicle also cannot be relay attacked because the key is inside of this box and hidden from everything. When you unlock or disarm the vehicle, basically the interference will go away, the key will be revealed to the ignition of the car, and you'll be able to just get into that vehicle and hit the start button and drive away. So the key is always managed here. The way we unlock it, we prefer Drone Mobile. So Drone Mobile is going to be a must when you're using a key locker, but you can also use an RF remote if you want. You can use the window touch sensor to get in. Any way you can authorize it with any of our products are going to authorize it with the key locker. Another cool thing is, you might have just heard about the EZGO remote that we have, our proximity unlock solution. You can use this as an RF remote in conjunction with the key locker. So you can walk right up to the car, it'll authorize through this remote, it'll unhide the key, sit down, hit that start button, and drive away. It's as easy as that. I appreciate your guys' time today, listening to me talk about some of these new products. And I also want to remind you, I know you're all familiar with myfirsttech.com, but don't forget, it's also an app. So you can download myfirsttech.com today and use it right inside the car, on your phone. You can get wiring diagrams, activate drone mobile devices, and even look for products if you need to. Thanks, guys.